You already know about BMW's exciting plans to update its 1,300 cubic centimeters range, starting with the incredible R1300 GS, followed by the R1300 GSA, then the R1300R, and now the recently released R1300 RT and R1300 RS. The new BMW R1300 RT is set to take the spotlight as the successor to the 1250 RT, while the R1250 RS will be replaced by the BMW R1300 RS. As we have seen with the other 1300 models, it will receive a comprehensive update. Get ready for an incredible journey with the BMW R1300 RT and R1300 RS. Now let's take a closer look at the specifications. Guys, be sure to stay tuned, it's going to be amazing.
Yeah.